Welcome to Silver Cajun Metals. Today's video, I'm going to be redoing my propane furnace that I melt my copper in. As you can see, it's been abused. I've been melting a lot of copper with it, and the inside ain't much better. So today I'm going to be redoing it. It's time to redo it. I did it before because the insulation that I had on it before was falling apart. And this is the stuff that we use, or should I say I use. It's a heat guard refractory coating. This is some good stuff. You know, all it is just powder that you mix with water and just coat it around, just like you do like a plastic Paris. So all I'm doing right now is just cracking it around and just carefully pulling it off without pulling off too much insulation, because I'm gonna recoat all that. I'm not gonna bore you with the process of taking all this stuff off. Once I take it off, I'm gonna put the video camera back on it. Got all the stuff off that was all caked on there, and that pieces of copper that stuck onto the other part and on the inside, I don't know if you can see it or not, but I only took the part that was bad. Yeah, the part on the side right here was bad right there, and the whole bottom. So that's the parts I'm gonna redo. The other parts, I'm just gonna go and put that stuff right on top of it and make a little double seal. But this is all the stuff that came out of there. That's all garbage. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix the stuff, and once I mix it, I'm gonna show you how I put it on. Okay, I got it all mixed, the powder and the water. They tell you to mix it 50-50, so that's what I done did. Use a regular paintbrush, keep it stirred up, and just paint it on. And that stuff holds real good. Real good. Once it hardens up, when it hardens up, buddy, it's hard. And after it hardens up, you want to bring it outside, and you want to light up your furnace to get all the moisture out of it. You're gonna have a little moisture before you even want to use it back. So you just keep on putting it on, and don't be scared to put it on a lot, because but as far as the price of this stuff, man, they charge you 2 arms, a leg, and a couple of toes. It's like $50 or $50-something for 5 pounds. And the 5 pounds, it lasts pretty long, you know. So that's about what it is. And it really helps keep that insulation. If not, you're gonna keep on changing that insulation. That insulation don't last at all, especially if you use it as much as I do for as copper. And I'm gonna keep on doing this. I'm not gonna bore y'all with just keep on painting. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop, and I'm gonna finish it off and show y'all what it looked like. I finished putting the heat guard refractory guard on it. It came out pretty good. I had to put 2 coats. That's the top. Top came out real good, and that's the bottom. Let's see. Yeah. So all this stuff's going real hard, real good, and once it hardens real good, I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the heat and let it get to the temperature that I normally melt my copper. Turn it off, and all the wetness and dampness should all get out of it. Then when I go to pick it up to use it, I can go ahead and use it. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and paint it too, because I went in my shed and I found me some black hot heat with ceramic. That's a good hot paint to put something on something, a furnace like this, that you know it's gonna get real hot. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll show you the finished product. Off the top, have a beer, relax, and enjoy. I hope y'all enjoy